Did Alexa ilakad IG post? Super spice at everything nice. Kasama nga dito sila Charlie Dizon, Blaise Dalio, and Elise Huson. PPP Pretty Girls. Ika nga, ayon dito kay Kid Estrada, nag-react naman sa post ni Alexa. PPP Powerpuff Girls. Super pretty. A lovely Paraiso sisters, happy to see you enjoying and some time together outside of the work. Hindi lang palagi na sa tipping, syempre samahan dapat ng kaligayahan. On and off screen friendship. I really love how Alexa treasure her friends. Na kahit sino, basta kasama niya sa work. Ang galing niya magdala na bilang kaibigan. PPP spread love. And so happy that you're surrounded by genuine people at Alexa Ilacad. I love the friendship. And love lots, Alexa, my happy pill. PPP Girls Night Out. Super spice ayon kay Alexa. Makikita naman sa clip na parang nasa Korean food sila. My fave girls, protect the friendship and sisterhood, especially kasama sa Four Sisters noon si Charlie Dizon na talagang matagal na niyang nakakasama. Enjoy your night, the pretty girls. So ayan po yung update dito at nagko-comment naman yung mga ibang mga netizens na sinasabi nila super pretty, enjoy the night.